Looking for high-quality data in the social sciences? SWISSUbase is Switzerland's national platform for sharing and preserving research data used and supported by force. Instead of spending months collecting data, you can start your analysis right away. Whether you're doing a thesis, writing a paper, or testing new hypotheses, SWISSUbase helps you save time, boost productivity, and build on existing knowledge. Certified by Core Trust Seal and aligned with FAIR principles, it offers over 1,000 rich and well-documented datasets ready for reuse. Every social science dataset on SWISSUbase is carefully curated by force experts, fully documented, and easy to cite so you can focus on your research, not data wrangling. Whether you're a student, a PhD candidate, or a researcher, you can find and download datasets quickly, securely, and free of charge. Thanks for watching. We hope you are ready to boost your research with real data. To learn more, visit SWISSUbase.ch or check out our resources on info.swissubase.ch or on forcecenter.ch. You can also watch our quick tutorial video to guide you through each step of finding and downloading social science data.